Laws of logarithms. Laws of logarithms. Oh, you are bound to meet these, especially if you are doing mathematics from the ordinary level going up to the advanced level. So laws of logarithms, well, there are quite a number. I think maybe about 3 of them, but I'm going to just calculate 1 or 2 problems so that you can get an understanding of how these are and how these operate, how do they work. So let's say you are given you are given this one. It's assumed knowledge. So log 7 base 10 is equal to 0.8451. So let's say you are given that log 7 base 10 is equal to 0.8451. And then the question comes, this will be our question, part A. Evaluate, in other words, find the numerical value of log 0.07 base 10. That will be part 1. And let's say we have part 2. Part 2 says log 49 again base 10. So you are asking, the question wants you to find this one and this one. So you can simply deduce these ones or calculate using those laws. I think I'll use 2 according to what I think I'll be using just 2 laws here. So how do you calculate this one? The working, how do you go about it? So let me change to red. Right, so how do we do that? So part 1. So log 0.07 base 10. Well, the key thing is 0.07. So 0.07, this one is equivalent to 7 over 100. Right, that should be known, because if you divide 7 by 100 you get 0.07. So in other words, we are saying log 7 over 100 base 10. So according to the laws of logarithms, so let me use a different color for me to explain one of the laws. So it says log A over B is equivalent, or is the same as log A over log B. That's what the law actually says. So from this our example, we are basically saying, if I change that, we are saying log 7 over log 100, and they are all using the base of 10. Okay, let me move it there. So but it is known that log 100 is equal to 2. You can use your calculator for that one. If you think log 10 is equal to 1, log 100 is equal to 2, log 1000 is equal to 3. It goes on like that. So basically we are saying log 7 over 2. So it's now easy. This one we have been given from the top, so it's 0.8451 divided by 2. So that should be easy to calculate. So this is equal to 0 here, get 4, get 2, get 2, another 1 there, you get 5, 1, I think another 5. So it goes on. So depending to how many decimal places you required, but this is the result that you get. So let me do the second part. So for the second part, we are just going to use again one of the other laws. So for example, it says the law actually says log a to the power, let's say x, is equal to x log a. My a is not coming out well. Trying to undo that one. No, it's fine. Log a, sorry, right. So if you are given log 49 and we're in base 10 and we want to express it in terms of 7, so we'll get log 7 to the power 2 base 10. So this is equal to 2 log 7, of course, base 10. Of course, log 7 we have, so in other words we are saying 2 multiplied by 0.8 451. So this is equal to I don't have my calculator, but this will give us a 2, get a 0 there, 8 to get a 9 there, we get a 6, 1 point. I'm sure this will be a result. So basically these are how these laws work. So we just did 2 of them. I'll just try and recap the laws before I end this broadcast. So the first law that we dealt with is that log a over b is same as saying log a over log b. Simple. The second one that we did, log a to the power x, this is equal to x log a. So these are the particular laws that we dealt with in this particular session. I think if we get time, if you request, I'll be able to bring in more examples so that we can work together on. So please subscribe and send in your questions.